Morning student. Today is the subject business study. We will learn chapter 4 business service. Today's the topic is what is internet. Okay? Actually, internet is a worldwide network. It is network formed by connecting telephone lines to the computers all over the world. It is a form of web connected to each others. So it is the called internet networking of the short internet. It is also known as WWW or World Wide Web. Okay? Through internet a person can communication to another subscriber in internet. In India, internet service are provided by BSNL, ESSR, Bharti Telecom, MTNI, etc. These companies are known as internet service providers or ISP. Okay. World Wide Web. It is where arithmetical frameworks of information technologies which was completed and incompleted in 1994. It connected lakhs of electronic pages which are called as a web of pages. One web connected text and the graphics which are connected to the event information. Then modem. What is modem? It is communication device which is used for connecting computers in telephone lines. Information is sent and revised through this device. Modem is short name of demodulator. It is necessary to quit that the signal of computer or digital wires or signal sent to by telephone lines are along. Modem are two types. First is internal modem, then second is external modem. Internal modem it is installed inside the computers, where external modem is kept on the table besides computer system which likes a small box. Okay. Then next is what is email. Actually email mere e stand of electronics and a mail stand or post. E stand are electronic and a mail stand are post, e-post. It this way, when information or message is sent through electronics medium through computers, then it is called our email service. Email service has been started in more than 150 cities of India. Okay, through email other service like telegram, fax can also be available. Email service are usually free of charge. Any subscribers having a computer system and the internet connectivity can avail this service free of cost. Okay, so today we will learn what is internet and what is the email, meaning of email. Okay, thank you.